What's good? It's Josh, homie, back again with another video. Alright y'all, in today's video I'm gonna be working on my Honda Civic 2004. Alright, there she is. This is my Honda Civic 2004. I went and got new wheels. These are pre-owned. They have been spray painted. In the future videos I will be repainting these. So I gotta strip the paint and then repaint them. When I got these new wheels installed, I noticed it wasn't running as smooth as the stock wheels. I'm hitting like 60 miles per hour and it's starting to shake. My steering wheel is starting to shake. I can feel every bumps, every nicks and crannies and all that. And I was wondering why is it happening? Before it never happened until I got these new wheels. So I did a little bit of research and stuff like that. I found out the reason. The reason being is they have this little center board right behind the wheel itself. It's like a metal ring. It's a spacer, so it helps I guess balance and even out the wheels so the car won't, you know, shake too much. Yeah, this is how they look like. These things right here, I already installed two of them, one in the back, one in the front, and I'm gonna do the other side. And you know what, it makes sense because when they took out my old wheels, I saw them popping out like the centerpiece. It was an O-ring and they popped those out and I was like, oh, I wonder do I need those? But I wasn't thinking nothing of it, and now I know you need those. I got mine off of Amazon for like 10 bucks. Make sure you get the right diameters. Right here, this is mine's 56.1 and 73.1. The first set I bought was too loose. I mean, it still worked, but it was still vibrating on the freeway. So I went with these, and they are a tight fit, a snug fit. So hopefully these will work, and I'll let you guys know in the video if it works or it still rumbles, you know what I mean? But yeah, so let me show you guys how to install these because I couldn't find any of it on YouTube. So let me be the first or second, I don't know, or third or fourth. Oh, it's so hot, man. Why am I always doing these videos in a hot day? Okay. Get yourself a nice breaker bar, wheel lock. Once you break the lugs loose, jack up the car. For this job, I'm just gonna use a 2-ton floor jack just to change the tires. It gets the job done. I also bought this off of Amazon. Want it off the ground, I'm going to use my impact drill to remove the rest. Okay, so this is the center board I was talking about, and this is the O-ring. These are my old ones, the ones I bought on Amazon. I'll just take that out. All right, time to install the new ones, which I have in my pocket. But before I want to put that on, I'm gonna get myself some anti-seize lubrication right here. It's to help it not corrode or get all gunky and yucky, you feel me? I like to put it in the inside and the outside. Just like so, just paint it around. You don't have to fully coat it, just enough. Ouch. All right, so to install this, you see right here, there's like a little guard, this part right here on the outside. So you don't want to put it like this, right? You want to put it like this. Bang. You want this part right here to stick out. But before you install these, make sure it fits your drum right here and also right here. Make sure it fits snug. Here, I'll show you guys real quick. Let me grab the old one. So this is the old one, right? It fit right here perfectly, right? Right there. But when I try to put it right here, like so, it has a lot of play. You see how it moves freely? So that's why I went and bought a bigger one. And look at that. Perfect. And that's what you want. Because it fits this right here, it fits the wheel, and also fits the drum. Right there. And now, the reverse. Put back on the wheel. You want to make sure it's lined up on the back side, sitting flush. And you want to hand tighten it. Bada bing, bada boom. Right here, this is what I'm looking at. I don't know if it's focusing. You're gonna make sure that's flat against the drum. And I'm gonna just slightly tighten it with the impact before I torque it into spec. And you just lower it. And that, my friends, is how you change or install the center board on the back of it. Hope this video helped out. I will be leaving a little comment down below my video letting you guys know if it works or if it didn't work. I'm pretty sure it's gonna work because that's what originally this car had, is that ring, and that's what it was missing when they installed my new wheels, you know? So yeah, if this video helped you guys out in any way, please smash that like button. Smash, smash, subscribe to your homie for more content or anything else I do on this channel. Check out this little paw print right here, it's so cool. I got that on Amazon too, $5. But yeah guys, thank you for rocking with me. Until the next video or in the future, I don't know, I'm being awkward and out. Yeah, with that being said, yeah, be safe, keep it breezy, and now see y'all in the future. Deuces. Oh yeah, baby, hopefully this goes well. And if not, man, I'm getting my money's back, bro. You feel me? I buy everything on Amazon, dog. Deuces. And yes, I did not forget, I got my torque wrench right here. 80 foot-pound for the Honda Civic 2004 LX. All right.
My style, untouchable when I'm in my zone. I'm gone. You're calm, but there's my support.